I'm Lori Armstrong, and I teach biology classes here at Shawnee Community College, and we're going to do a Science in Seconds video. Something you can do with your kids that'll be fun, and then they can eat it when they're done. The only ingredients you're going to need to make this are some Twizzlers, some multicolored mini marshmallows. If you only have white ones, those will work, but if you can get the 4-colored ones, those are better. And then you're going to need a few toothpicks. And what we're going to do is we're going to build a DNA molecule. The reason why we're building a DNA molecule is because April the 25th is National DNA Day, and it's when we celebrate the discovery of the DNA double helix. So you're going to need 2 Twizzlers for each DNA molecule. These are going to serve as your backbones, or the sides of your ladder that you're going to build. You'll also need toothpicks, and these are going to serve to hold your bases together. And then the reason why the 4-colored marshmallows are preferable is because DNA is composed of 4 different nitrogenous bases. And they are represented by the letters A, G, C, and T. A stands for adenine, G for guanine, C for cytosine, and T for thymine. But they only bond together in a certain way. Adenine and thymine always bond with each other, and guanine and cytosine always bond with each other. So we're going to make sure that we only put a green one with a yellow one to show that adenine and thymine are bonded together. And we're only going to put pink with orange to indicate that guanine and cytosine bond together. So have your kids put marshmallows on toothpicks like this, and you can put them on different sides. Now, I just randomly chose the pink and orange to go together and the blue and the yellow. If you want to assign them differently, that is perfectly fine as well. These do get a little sticky once you poke the toothpicks through them. And you want to push the marshmallows in on the toothpick enough so that the pointy ends stick out, because we're going to need to stick these into our Twizzlers. So once you get a few of these put together, then you're going to just insert the pointy ends into a Twizzler. And you can flip them around so that you have different colors on each side. So this will be a way to teach your kids about DNA, and when they're all done and they've learned a little bit about DNA, then they can have a little tasty treat to help remind them of the fun of knowing more about DNA. All of us have DNA, all of us are a little bit different, and our DNA is what makes us unique. We get half from our mom, half from our dad, and even identical twins who start off having identical DNA, over time they become less alike due to changes in their DNA. It's pretty amazing what our DNA does for us. So this is an assembled DNA molecule, and if you want to see what real DNA looks like, it forms a double helix or a twisted ladder, so you can twist it like this to get an idea of what DNA really looks like. And then after you're done building it, then the fun part comes. You get to take it apart and eat it. Just be careful that you don't poke yourselves with the toothpicks.